Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to harness the power of FYERS with all the incredible charting tools on TradingView, you're in exactly the right spot. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to connect your FYERS account directly with TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to place trades seamlessly and analyze the markets all in one place. Trust me, once you've set this up, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need is an active FYERS account. If you're already a FYERS user, you're good to go. If not, I'd recommend pausing this video for a moment and setting one up on the FYERS website. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll need those login credentials soon. But if you already have an account, just make sure you've logged into your FYERS account in a separate tab or window. Having it logged in ahead of time will help the connection process go smoothly, and you won't get tripped up with any extra logins later on. Once you're certain you're logged into FYERS, head back over to TradingView. This is where the fun begins. On TradingView, look toward the bottom of your screen for the Trading Panel tab. This panel is basically your gateway to connect to a bunch of brokers, including FYERS. Go ahead and click the Trading Panel. You'll see a list of different brokers pop up here. Don't let it overwhelm you. Just take your time and scan through the list until you spot FYERS. The order can change depending on updates, so if you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the panel and just type in FYERS. That's the quickest way, especially if you're eager to get started. Once you see FYERS in the list, go ahead and click on it. This next step is where you're actually making the handshake between TradingView and your FYERS account. After you click FYERS, a Connect button will appear, usually in the middle or lower part of that section. Just hit Connect. At this point, depending on your browser and your security settings, you might get prompted to authorize the connection. Don't worry if there's a short delay here. That just means TradingView is reaching out securely to FYERS to verify everything. If you're still logged into your FYERS account, the authorization will usually zip through. But if for some reason you get asked to log in again or enter an OTP, just go ahead and do that. Those extra steps are there for your security. Remember, connecting your brokerage account is a sensitive action, so it's normal for there to be a couple of check-ins along the way. Once you're connected, you'll see FYERS added to your trading panel, and you'll be able to access real-time balances, positions, and you can even place trades right from TradingView. It's like having the best tools from both platforms all in one dashboard. Seriously, this integration saves you a ton of time flipping between apps and lets you stay focused on your trading strategies. So that's all there is to it. Connecting FYERS to TradingView really just takes a few clicks, but it opens up a whole new world of trading possibilities. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if you ran into any issues. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and trading tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.